Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Google Workspace admin settings for suspicious logins, full guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Google Workspace admin console using your administrator account. From the dashboard, navigate to the Security section. Select Access and Data Control to find setting options related to user permissions. Click on Users to view a list of all accounts in your organization. Identify the user account that exhibited suspicious login activity. Click on the user's name to open their account settings. In the user's profile, look for the Security section. Here, review the login activity to examine any unusual access patterns. If you discover suspicious logins, immediately reset the user's password. To do this, click on Reset Password and enter a new secure password. Next, enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security. In the user's settings, find the option for two-step verification and toggle it on. Inform the affected user about the security breach and provide instructions on setting up their authentication method. Return to the dashboard and navigate back to Security. Select Reports and then Login Reports to review all recent login attempts. Look for any additional accounts that might show similar suspicious activities. If you find others, repeat the password reset and two-factor authentication steps for those users. Next, check for any unauthorized changes made within your Google Workspace account. Review the admin activity log under Reports to track administrative changes. Investigate any unfamiliar modifications or settings that could pose a risk. If any changes appear unauthorized, revert them to restore original settings. Finally, communicate the situation with your team to ensure they are aware of the security measures implemented. Consider conducting a security training session to educate users about recognizing suspicious activities in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.